Product: 10.26-inch wireless CarPlay screen with dashcam. Upgrade your drive? Check out the 10.26-inch wireless CarPlay screen with dashcam. It transforms your vehicle with seamless connectivity. It features a stunning 4K dash camera, vertically adjustable for the best view of your journey. A built-in G-sensor provides collision detection and emergency recording for peace of mind. Reversing is a breeze thanks to the 1080p rear-view camera, which automatically activates with clear parking guidelines and a wide-angle HD view. Enjoy continuous recording with the included 64GB TF card. Wireless integration with both CarPlay and Android Auto means your smartphone connects effortlessly after the initial setup. An upgraded chip ensures faster boot up and stable performance for a modern driving experience. Ideal for any driver seeking advanced safety and smart features. Product: Yanhan 10A Smart Car Battery Charger. The Yanhan 10A Smart Car Battery Charger makes keeping your vehicle ready simple. This compact, powerful 10-amp unit is an all-in-one solution: a charger, maintainer, trickle charger, and desulfator. It supports all 12-volt and 24-volt lead-acid batteries for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, lawnmowers, and boats. Its smart winter and summer modes adjust charging by temperature, actively preventing battery drain. Essential safety protections like reverse polarity, overcharge, and short-circuit prevention ensure reliable charging. Perfect for cold winters or long breaks, guaranteeing steady power and extending battery life. Product: 16.5-inch 3-layer plastic toolbox organizer. Hey everyone! Today we're looking at the 16.5-inch 3-layer plastic toolbox organizer. This organizer is fantastic for keeping your workspace tidy. Its 3-tier design is truly space-saving, folding up compactly when not in use, measuring 16.5-inch by 7.5-inch by 7-inch when open. You get organized storage with large and small partitions, perfect for all sorts of tools. Plus, dedicated screw boxes keep small parts secure, so nothing gets lost. Finding what you need for daily maintenance becomes incredibly easy. The non-slip frosted handle provides a secure grip, preventing accidents. And with durable metal locks made of thick stainless steel, your contents are always protected. This reinforced construction ensures it holds up to regular use. It's ideal for anyone needing an efficient, clutter-free way to store their essentials. Product: Vever Rolling Garage Mechanic Stool. Upgrade your workspace comfort and efficiency with the Vever Rolling Garage Mechanic Stool. It's built with a thickened steel frame that won't deform, ensuring years of reliable use and supporting up to 250 pounds. Fixed casters provide a stable design, preventing tipping. Effortlessly move on any project thanks to 4 2.5-inch 360-degree universal casters. These ball-bearing wheels glide smoothly across various surfaces for flexible movement wherever you work. Stay comfortable for long sessions on the wide, padded seat. Its waterproof, oil-proof PU surface cleans easily with a wipe, ideal for messy automotive or DIY tasks. A large tool tray beneath keeps essentials organized, always within reach. This practical, durable stool enhances your workshop. Product: Mini Cordless Tire Pump with Digital Gauge. Discover effortless cleaning with this incredible brush. Its unique ergonomic curved handle is specifically designed for a stronger grip and increased strength, making every cleaning task feel more secure and effective. Incredibly compact and practical, it measures just 6.3 by 0.79 by 1.26 inches, featuring soft bristles only 0.6 inches long. This perfectly portable size makes it ideal for managing messes anywhere. You can easily clean clothes, shoes, or practically anything else with its versatile design. The soft bristle design ensures fabric-safe cleaning, guaranteeing it won't damage or stain your items like a stiff toothbrush might. Maintain your belongings' appearance and extend their life with this handy, truly versatile cleaning tool. Product: Orion Motortech 5-ton Bearing Puller. Got stubborn bearings? The Orion Motortech 5-ton Bearing Puller is your solution. This all-in-one kit handles a wide range of pulling jobs, from large and small bearings on wheel hub axle shafts to gears, pulleys, and steering wheels. It includes everything you need: 3-inch and 2-inch separator jaws, a 6-inch yoke, a forcing screw, extension screws, and L-type legs. The 5-ton capacity means it stands up to punishing heavy-duty use, perfect for both pros and home mechanics on most vehicles, ATVs, and light trucks. Its knife-like taper jaws ensure a secure grip, reaching even tight spaces for effective removal. Constructed from heat-treated CRV steel with a black oxide finish, this puller is built for durability. Simplify your toughest bearing removal projects with Orion Motor Tech. Product: Fantic F2 Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit. The Fantic F2 Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit brings precision to your projects. Ultra lightweight at 0.22 pounds, it offers maximum portability for on-the-go creativity. Its brushless hollow cup motor ensures whisper-quiet operation, reducing noise by 30% while delivering a powerful 25,000 RPM with less heat. 5 adjustable speed settings provide versatile control for intricate tasks. The Revastore hub keeps 35 organized 3/32 accessories at your fingertips on a 360-degree rotating magnetic stand, making grinding, polishing, engraving, and 3D printing finishing simple. Encased in a durable, rust-resistant aluminum case with one-click access, it's ready. Its seamless, integrated speed control is waterproof and dustproof, ideal for any work environment. This portable tool offers comfort and versatile functionality. Product: Alla Lighting 912-921 LED reverse bulbs. Upgrade your reverse lights with Alla Lighting's 912-921 LED bulbs. You'll immediately experience their high brightness, providing clear, safe illumination when backing up. Each bulb features 30 high-power 4014 SMD LED chips, offering 1,000 lumens, for a total of 2,000 lumens from the pair. Installation is plug-and-play, perfect for DIYers, with non-polarity LEDs operating efficiently on 12V to 24V. These are incredibly long-lasting and run cooler than stock incandescents, thanks to their energy-efficient design and built-in intelligent IC driver. Their 360-degree full view angle significantly enhances visibility and vehicle safety. Plus, there's no UV/IR radiation. This essential upgrade elevates both your vehicle's function and style. Product: Universal OBD2 Car Diagnostic Scanner. Keeping tabs on your car's health just got much easier with the Universal OBD2 Car Diagnostic Scanner. This OM126 code reader swiftly reads and clears engine fault codes, empowering you to tackle issues promptly. It provides essential real-time live data, lets you view freeze frame information, and even checks IM readiness. No more endless online searches for code definitions, as it features a built-in DTC library. It offers strong compatibility, working on most US vehicles since 1996, and European or Asian models from 2004, requiring only a 16-pin OBD2 port. With multi-language support, including English, French, and Spanish, it's truly versatile. This indispensable tool helps prevent costly repairs by offering thorough diagnostics, including O2 sensor and EVAP system tests, making vehicle monitoring straightforward. Product: Adjustable Car Seat Headrest Pillow. Drive comfortably with the Adjustable Car Seat Headrest Pillow. Ergonomically designed for neck and shoulder support, it reduces fatigue on long trips. Forget traditional headrests. This one features breathable ice silk and supportive 45D memory foam, staying cool and odor-free all summer. Installation is easy, fitting most car seats with metal rods without tools. Its 360-degree adjustable design moves up and down, perfectly suiting both kids and adults for comfortable road trip sleeping. Plus, convenient back hooks let passengers hang items or hold phones. Enhanced durability with thickened connectors ensures long-term comfort. Ideal for daily commuting or road trips, it provides superb relaxation and support. Product: Cordless Brushless 1/2-inch Impact Wrench Kit. Power through bolts and nuts with the Cordless Brushless 1/2-inch Impact Wrench Kit, delivering an incredible 800 Nm of maximum torque, that's 590 foot-pounds. It's the market's highest torque battery-powered cordless impact wrench. Its brushless motor ensures effortless fastening for tire changes, furniture assembly, scaffolding installation, or any garage and DIY project. Enjoy extended runtime with dual high-capacity 4.0 amp-hour batteries, offering 50% more power than typical 2.0 amp-hour versions. A rapid 1-hour charge gets you back to work fast, and a power indicator lets you monitor remaining life. For ultimate control, its 3 adjustable speeds from 0 to 2800 RPM meet any demand, enhancing efficiency and precision. Product: Blackline 24x36 Microfiber Car Drying Towel. Transform your car drying with the Blackline 24x36 Microfiber Car Drying Towel.
This ultra-absorbent towel effortlessly delivers a perfect streak-free finish with zero water spots. Its innovative twisted loop technology glides smoothly, picking up every single drop. It can absorb up to an entire gallon, truly drying your car in just one pass. The generous 2-foot by 3-foot size covers massive surface area, making quick work of your whole vehicle. Engineered for speed and performance, this huge towel ensures fast, scratch-free drying. Say goodbye to using towel after towel. The Blackline drying towel is the most effective, quick-drying option, absorbing over 6 times its weight in water. Achieve a pristine appearance with incredible ease.
Product: Undercarriage 16-inch pressure washer attachment. Discover the Undercarriage 16-inch pressure washer attachment, your ideal car washing mate for underbody cleaning. Enjoy effortless, thorough cleaning without bending or straining. Standing is now possible. 2 big, steady wheels with quality ball bearings allow free movement, gliding smoothly under your vehicle. 4 powerful high-pressure jets blast away dirty grime and salt easily. With 2 16-inch straight wands and a 45-degree elbow wand, you'll reach every corner at the bottom. This attachment is also dual-purpose. Adjust its pivot valve to use it as a water broom for sweeping debris or light daily cleaning. It connects via a 1/4-inch quick connector plug, fitting most spray guns. This addition helps prevent corrosion, maintain vehicle longevity, and saves cost and energy on washes.
Product: OBD2 Heads-Up Display Gauge P21. Introducing the OBD2 Heads-Up Display Gauge P21. This clever device features a multifunctional dual-system display for broad compatibility. Its GPS mode works universally with any vehicle, offering essential driving data right in your line of sight. For gasoline cars made after 2009, including those with OBD2 and EU OBD protocols, the robust OBD system provides detailed engine diagnostics, speed, and RPM. This model is not compatible with hybrid, diesel, pickup trucks, RVs, or certain brands like Renault and Fiat. If your vehicle doesn't fit the OBD criteria, simply switch to the GPS system for effortless monitoring. With included double-sided adhesive stickers and a suction cup bracket, installation is quick and secure. It's perfect for anyone wanting advanced car data at a glance, improving awareness while keeping eyes on the road.
Product: eSam Core Adjustable Cup Holder Tablet Mount. Hey everyone, let's check out the eSam Core Adjustable Cup Holder Tablet Mount. This mount is fantastic for securing your tablet in your car. It delivers rock-solid stability, keeping your device still even on bumpy roads. The upgraded expandable base twists to snugly fit almost any car, truck, or SUV cup holder, adjusting from 2.36 to 3.9. 3 rubberized prongs form a stable tripod grip, locking it firmly without wobbling. Its flexible height and incredible viewing options really stand out. A 2-stage arm extends up to 15 inches, bringing your tablet closer for easy, hands-free viewing. Both joints rotate 360 and tilt 180, so finding that optimal passenger viewing angle is effortless. Perfect for long-trip entertainment or seamless navigation, it's an essential accessory for families and travelers. Product: 328-piece household tool set. Tackle any home project with this fantastic 328-piece household tool set. It's packed with all the essentials you need for DIY repairs and home maintenance. From wrenches and sockets to screwdrivers and pliers, this comprehensive kit covers every need, making projects a breeze. One of its best features? Everything is neatly organized within its durable case. Say goodbye to cluttered toolkits for good. The innovative removable drawer allows you to easily store and access your tools, keeping everything perfectly in place and accessible. Perfect for all skill levels, this versatile set is a must-have for any household, simplifying tasks around the house. Product: Floor-Rich Leather Car Organizer Between Seats. Discover the Floor-Rich Leather Car Organizer Between Seats, a brilliant solution for keeping your vehicle tidy. This organizer boasts extra-large, multifunctional storage with smartly divided compartments, perfect for all your in-car essentials. From phones and keys to snacks and water bottles, it ensures everything is neat, within reach, and your car interior stays clutter-free. Its versatile dual-sided design offers flexible use, allowing you to prioritize quick access for frequently used items or leverage extra storage for larger belongings. Beyond organization, it acts as a driving safety barrier, preventing items from sliding under seats.
It's ideal for daily commutes or longer journeys, enhancing both convenience and the sophisticated feel of your car.
Product, HyperVac 2-in-1, corded and cordless car vacuum. Keep your vehicle spotless with the HyperVac 2-in-1 car vacuum. This compact, portable powerhouse handles small jobs, from car detailing to office desks and even keyboard cleaning, making tidy-up simple. A high-speed brushless motor delivers 18.5 kPa powerful suction, tackling dirt, sand, and debris on carpets, seats, and tight spots effortlessly. Versatility is key, with 12 included tools like hoses, pet brushes, and an extension tube. Easily manage dust, pet hair, and various surfaces. The large 7,500 mAh battery offers up to 45 minutes of cleaning, or 22 minutes on high power, ensuring extended usability. Plus, charging is convenient anywhere via USB-C, fully powering up in 3 to 5 hours. Enhance your cleaning routine with the HyperVac.
Product, 180 PSI Cordless Smart Tire Inflator. Meet the 180 PSI Cordless Smart Tire Inflator, ideal for maintaining tire pressure. This device delivers 6x faster inflation, boosting a car tire from 30 to 35 PSI in only 0.7 minutes. Its smart auto shutoff ensures high accuracy, sampling pressure 350 times per second. It stops precisely at your target PSI, with 5 preset modes for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and balls. Long-lasting battery with 1,000+ recharge cycles and fast 2 to 3 hour Type-C charging. It's also a 15-watt USB power bank. Stay prepared with this smart, convenient tool, keeping your tires optimal.
Product, eSam Core Dashboard iPad and Tablet Holder. Enhance your ride with the eSam Core Dashboard iPad and Tablet Holder. This stable mount places your tablet securely on the dash. Its powerful clamp delivers a superior grip for all 6 to 11-inch devices, even those with cases up to 17 millimeters thick. Anti-slip silicone pads and protective grips ensure security, preventing slips even on bumpy roads. Truly an ideal travel essential for the whole family. It offers Wi-Fi compatibility for iPads, Samsung Galaxy Tabs, Android tablets, and large-screen phones like the iPhone 13 or Galaxy S21. Perfect for hands-free navigation, media, or entertainment on the go.
Product, Z-Key Leather Seat Cushion. Transform your drive with the Z-Key Leather Seat Cushion, bringing premium comfort and style. Its elegant, diamond-patterned PU leather instantly upgrades interiors. It's easy to clean, rub-resistant, and ventilation holes promote fresh airflow for commutes or road trips. This cushion's ergonomic design prioritizes well-being. A U-shaped cutout provides tailbone relief. The curved raised back supports hips, expanding your driving view for safer driving. Its W-shaped front reduces thigh compression, aids circulation, and aligns posture for easier pedal access. The Z-Key blends sleekness with enhanced driving comfort. Product, Batoka Cordless Car Polisher with Batteries. Looking for that perfect showroom shine without the hassle of quartz? The Batoka Cordless Car Polisher is your answer. Its lightweight, 3-pound design ensures incredible portability and easy storage. Crafted with a durable, high-impact ABS shell and a powerful, all-copper motor, it's a quiet workhorse, perfect for beginners and a great alternative to traditional power polishers. The 5mm Random Orbit DA guarantees a uniform, formless finish on any painted surface. What truly sets it apart are the two 2.0 AA batteries and fast charger. You can always have one ready, providing continuous power, making low battery worries a thing of the past, thanks to its power alert function. Get professional-grade results effortlessly.
Product, 40-inch mechanic creeper with tool tray. Working on your car just got easier with the 40-inch mechanic creeper. This versatile 2-in-1 design lets you switch between sitting and lying with a simple pin pull, adapting to your work needs. The integrated tool tray keeps all your wrenches and sockets right within reach, eliminating interruptions. Built with a sturdy stainless steel frame, it supports up to 480 pounds, making it suitable for any demanding garage. Its 2.5-inch TPR rubber casters ensure incredibly smooth, wear-resistant movement on various surfaces. You'll appreciate the lasting comfort from its thick cushioning, which stays soft even with long-term use. Plus, it's water and oil resistant, so cleanup is a breeze after dirty automotive tasks. This practical creeper truly enhances your repair experience.